let's get some more bags open. This bag's already pretty ripped. Weighs 11.5 pounds. Let's hope for something good. So first off, I see some toys. Those generally go to my puppy. So that's great. He loves them. Poof. Every reseller hates Poof, but I have heard from a couple people now that Plato's Closet will take Poof. So I'm going to try. This is an American Eagle Outfitters cami, but it's pretty ripped. So throw that out right away. American Eagle high-rise jeggings in a great size, size 8. So this is a great find for today. Some nice, in pretty good shape jeans. That's exciting. Another pair of jeans. These are H&M gray washed skinny jeans. All the jeans I'll just wash, investigate. These are size 30 Parasuco skinny jeans. Also distressed, but in good condition. Now we have a bunch of jean shorts. These are Old Navy blue jeans, size 8. Those look like homemade cutoffs. These are H&M little jean shorts. These are American Eagle Outfitters, size 6 petite cutoffs. And these are Suco jeans, size 8. These appear to be jeggings. Elastic waist. I have no idea what Suco jeans is, so that will require some investigating. There's another toy for my doggy. Bella Birdie t-shirt, but it's in pretty rough condition. These are some Roxy size large shorts. I don't sell a ton of Roxy. I don't know a ton about Roxy, but there is a Poshmark party quite often that highlights Roxy. So I may try and sell those. Reitman's beaded tank top. This is pink velour George cardigan. This is new with tags, George. A little blue and white striped top because it's new with tags. I actually might try listing that. Depends on how desperate I get. American Eagle size small. Little purple cardigan, but it's in pretty rough condition. So that will probably be a donated item. This is Old Navy size large. A little ruffled tank top. That's actually really cute. It's very lightweight. I think things like those will make good bundling items. I'm hoping. This is a little pink, sparkly Joe Fresh little girl's t-shirt. Here's another t-shirt, Old Navy, size extra large. I'll probably donate that item. Here we have a pair of boots. They have a price tag for $139. Let's look, see if there's a brand. There's a brand as I get my gloves stuck in the zipper. Brand is Spring. I know it's a mall brand, but they're in okay condition. I'll give them a better look later. See what I think. Those are just little kid shorts, but not a really great brand. This is an Ardennes tank top that's pretty well worn. H&M black t-shirt, also pretty worn. Unbranded shirt that says, I am right about everything. Mom. As a mom, I am right about everything. Okay. Not bad. I like jeans. I like jean shorts. Those will be exciting to list. So let's get this bag open. This bag weighs 3 pounds. I'm already not excited. Little toque. Okay, let me dump it out. So here we have a little pair of Old Navy shoes. And another pair of shoes. These are from the Gap, but pretty rough condition. A Walmart bag. This is a little girl's bathing suit by Carter's. But it's actually in, it looks like new condition. I'll try Once Upon a Child for that. And then we have a whole pile of socks. Great. And some Joe Fresh little shorts and another toque. So a garbage 3 pounds. Next bag, also 3 pounds. Looks to be just one item. So it's a jacket. It says Vogue #1. I have no idea what that is. I'll give the pockets a once over quickly. I'm still waiting for a really good money find. So far, I found like 45 cents. There's a detachable hood that's still here. I have no idea about that brand. I'll investigate. Okay, 2 more bags. These have a combined weight 21 pounds. Let's see what's inside. So far it looks like men's clothes. Here is a windbreaker by the brand Zosdon. Never heard of it. In pretty good condition. I'll investigate. This is a Quicksilver men's jacket. Size large. Missing a zipper pull. But if it's in good enough condition, I will wash it and see how that turns out. A North Face jacket. So it's pretty crumpled. Let's unroll it. So there we have a North Face symbol. One thing I learned about North Face is that, I don't know if all the pieces do, but the one that I found earlier has a hologram. I think that's what it's called. This one says Gore-Tex. Anyways, I'll do some investigating. It's in pretty good condition. Looks like an older style maybe. But here we go. Navy blue North Face jacket. That's something. Unbranded little blue plaid shirt. This is by Tradesman, size medium. It's one of those flannel work jackets. Because it's in pretty good condition, I might wash it, try and sell that locally. And the last item out of that bag is by Arrow, and it's just a plaid men's shirt. So the North Face is pretty exciting. Nothing else was. This bag. First impression is kids' clothes. A lot of kids' clothes. These are American Dream leggings. These are some Rumors shorts. Body glove. Size 16 little boys swim shorts. Old Navy size large shorts. These are little spaceman, I guess they're called astronauts, pajamas from Walmart. These are some Walmart little boys basketball shorts. These are a brand BXL cargo shorts. Unbranded t-shirt, not worth my time. George cargo shorts. basketball shorts. This is a Jacob size small black long sleeve shirt. I'm not certain about Jacob if it sells or not. This is pretty cute. It's an Old Navy size large children's snowflake print. I'll wash that. Seeing as how it is coming into winter. Little t-shirt. Children's Place plaid shirt. Workout pants. Old Navy size large bluish purple hoodie. I know Once Upon a Child is very, very picky about the condition of their items. So I will investigate. If it's in good condition, I'll try taking it in, but I don't want to be wasting my time. This is a Dynamite cardigan, but I can already see some holes. It's a very thin material. Joe Fresh Canada t-shirt, basketball shorts, underwear. These are some Old Navy activewear, extra large. Leggings, but there's a lot of pilling and I don't think it's worth my time to sweater shave Old Navy leggings. Little boys basketball shorts. A Thor t-shirt. This is a George plaid long sleeve little boy shirt. We have an Old Navy extra large striped shirt. Some unbranded workout leggings, pajama pants. Here's the bottom half to the astronaut pajamas. Sort of an unbranded t-shirt. And the last item, Old Navy extra large little boys cargo shorts. A lot of kids items. My thinking is that if I can hold off until the spring, I might have a big yard sale and sell all the kids' clothes for 25 cents or fill a bag or whatever just to get it gone. So nothing exciting.